The problems in the British economy started with the banks, so the solution must start with the banks too. And that is what Vince and I would like to talk to you about this morning. The implosion in the British banking system was a classic example of a vested interest, a clique, one industry, holding a gun to the head of the rest of the British economy. Yet despite all the talk about cleaning up the banking system, all the elements are still in place for that implosion to happen all over again. Our view is we simply don't have the luxury as a country not to reform the banking system in this country from top to toe. Neither the Labour Party nor the Conservatives will really tackle the vested interests in the banking system. Yesterday, Labour said next to nothing on the subject. I predict today the Conservatives will say little more. They'll say, we're all in this together. In fact, under the Conservatives, you're on your own. They talk about a big society. In fact, what they want is a DIY society, where if you're a banker, you get off scot-free, and you only get tax breaks if you're a millionaire.